So today is Saturday. Beautiful day, Colorado Springs, Colorado. But funny thing is I've been feeling a lot of pressure on my head today. And I noticed there's no birds today. Not a single bird is around here today. Listen. No birds. And when there are birds, I don't have this pressure on my head. So now I know that they're beaming their waves, their microwaves, because the birds aren't here and my head is feeling a lot of pressure. So if this is happening to anybody around here in Colorado Springs or some other state, country, this is what's going on. If there's no birds and you're feeling pressure on your head, it's them doing their microwave shit. Ugh. Hate the New World Order. Well, God bless everybody.